been a lathi charge at Jantar Mandir right now. How do you see that?
It's very sad. I mean, I don't understand the spirit in which some of these things are being done. When a non-violent protest is taking place, what is the reason for a lathi? Lathi charge is not an act of non-violence. It is an act of violence. I don't understand the logic of this. And similarly here in Parliament, everyone knows these are burning issues across the country. It would be logical to have a discussion on them. Parliament is supposed to be the place where we can ventilate the voice of the people, the concerns of the people. And once we do that, we all know the government has a majority. As the old saying goes, the opposition must have its say, because the government will have its way. They have the majority. But at least let Parliament be a forum where these concerns can be heard, can be truly ventilated and voiced, where various people can represent the views of their constituents, and then the government can say, sorry, we don't agree or whatever. That's their privilege. But right now, just refusing a discussion is what has led to today's disruption, because the opposition wanted these issues up there, wanted an opportunity to talk about them on the floor of the House. And if Parliament is not there for raising these issues, then honestly, what is it for? I mean, it can't just be a sort of notice board for the government to announce its bills and get them passed with a rubber stamp. That's not what Parliament is all about. It should be a forum where all these views can be heard, discussed, debated as necessary, and then passed.
So the Prime Minister has sought cooperation from the opposition. He's saying that
we'll cooperate if they cooperate. No, the idea should be there should be mutual cooperation. Let them permit certain discussions. We will get them to have their bills or whatever. I mean, this has got to be give and take. That's the way Parliament's supposed to function. Thank you. देखिए, विपक्ष तो दो तीन विषय उठाना चाहते थे. उसमें से एक है अयोध्या के जो चंदा चोरी हुई वगैरह, और दूसरा ये है कि नीट परीक्षा और जो विषय छात्रों के गूंज के नाम पे कांग्रेस कुछ महीने से भी उठा रहे हैं, तो इनके ऊपर चर्चा होनी चाहिए. यही था हमारे रिक्वेस्ट. लेकिन सरकार कुछ भी मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं है. देखिए, पार्लियामेंट के अंदर अगर चर्चा चले तो सबके लिए अच्छा है. चर्चा से इनका क्या डर है मुझे मालूम नहीं है, क्योंकि सरकार के पास तो बहुत मेजॉरिटी है. तो सुनने दो, देश की आवाज़ सुनाइए पार्लियामेंट में. यही है पार्लियामेंट का काम. तो आप मना कर रहे हैं कि सिर्फ आपके विषय उठाएंगे, तो विपक्ष नेचुरली असंतुष्ट है.